Render is expected to rise 4.6% by tomorrow, 30 rates analysis shows. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. At the time of this update, Render is down 1% in the last 24 hours and trading near $1.355. Let's check today's expert outlooks. According to Traders Union, the price could drop to $1.316 by August 4th, a decrease of about 2.9%. Coin price forecast suggests Render could move toward $1.36, gaining approximately 0.4%. CoinLore highlights the possibility of approaching $1.37, a potential increase near 1.1%. Another estimate by 30 rates shows Render might climb to $1.418, a gain close to 4.6%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital predicts $1.461 by August 4, which is 7.8% higher than now. This is the strongest return potential we've seen. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between a decline of 2.9% and a rise of 7.8%, depending on the analyst. By the look of it, Gov Capital is calling for the highest return with 7.8% gain in value by August 4. So it turns out you could earn between $4 and $78 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability, Coin Price Forecast has the lead with a 81.9% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. The forecasts together outline Render at about $1.385. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus forecast is for a 2.2% increase in price. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 2.2%. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $22. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 64.8%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. According to Traders Union, the market is likely to trend downward. The short-term forecast from Coin Price Forecast points to calm conditions, with Render likely to stay close to where it is now. A stronger push upward is expected by CoinLore. 30 rates believes volatility will stay muted, keeping Render relatively unchanged. Gov Capital predicts steady gains ahead. By merging the individual projections, the consensus indicates Render is likely to trade within a narrow range over the coming 3 days. In summary, the majority of forecasts point to an upward path for Render. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. As a result, the daily candle closed at $1.384. With this outcome, most analysts were accurate in their forecasts. The best aligned prediction with the market came from CoinDataFlow. Now let's break things down step by step. Only one forecast fit inside yesterday's price range. Regarding ROI, more than one analyst showed profit, with Gov Capital reaching 0.4%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. Gov Capital displayed $0.091 accuracy, 13.6% forecast probability, and 0.4% ROI. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets including